Well. Please, Alligator Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Alligator Sports. Papa. So listen to Alligator Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Yo, Asafopedi Kumchacha.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Yo, Asafomami.
Other for me didn't Sisi Chum. Na debia miti Alligated Sports. There's no day minty Alligated because miti manage na me sure.
Kwame your body is in the building. What do you see? Then na person ka what you see na.
Yeah, what you see na body slang na what you see.
Okay. Na we have a call here.
Me ado ya tempo anu die. Na yet ya nwom na nsuo yiri fan die je say. Enkrani mu ane wono.
Chale. Nsuo to a na ebi yem hihye wo.
Banya me wo hu say me wo Eastern region ba ko kran so.
Sir,
I'm telling you.
Wow.
It be back room
say. Eastern region.
Yeah, baby me wono am follow within.
And follow within a co. Okay. Into lockdown.
Na my matem sa no.
And then na sample for just looking pinky.
Ofri a okoti wisu nti.
Why
say I have an entire
why the
too much. Not on center for but say dey
why the too much. Yeah, monjani on Facebook.
Yes, also on a body line sign a 1 year contract. A mono kwa.
Aperika se me mo akwa na bibi aboko de
Kwame Tunum BCC em so no ani refi. So buy na mi frade en dada.
Me ba na ufra wadina sadada.
Adwena sadada.
It be me ya hwewo. Na me nyan sam keke.
Body line dey me no ma sign contract but enyan hwase.
Oh, okay.
Lifetime contract.
Me pesa me am sign 1 year.
Sabom.
And me ko ayi what is the name? P ho na me na ko.
P na ere fini din sese.
Me ran fini din sa.
Okay.
Aya anya sa.
Asemo.
Kwame no.
Openi yam fan pai bokas ye. Entai omo a ensuo no. Adi omo dem no achi.
Anope na metie CJ anope. Chief Jerry Force anope. Na
ana mfuza mungu ana msunya yo.
Adelaide ben.
Ade empire bo. Yempa bo na le.
Osa di nyina me fa so
na eden.
Ene openi.
Okasi ene nyame ase dia fa na yemfa mpa bo.
Na nyame ase nsu afa nkrofo. How can I thank God for?
Ene na ase ade nyina me fa na ase me nyame na no e chese.
Ene openi bo mpa e man.
Di empire. We nyampa bo ase.
Sa wo.
Nyansa na osi sua.
Okay.
Nyansa sua.
Over 25 years.
Openi. Hwe. Da bia yete gotem. Da bia gata no ye fi. Abra onim se nipa tete gata na no saa kwa akokusitiri. Oye fi a gata na mu hwegu. Eti nipa ne te gata na no ye ka the quantum of money I did to gata no a wo beba wonum.
Ene yan ka ba gata no so.
Say sika ye se ye di si dan e wo baabi atu nipa ne wo gata na no atu makwa makotere mu a.
Na ni ade na mon ka ba ade na mon ka ba gata no so.
Our friend human face. Sa brofo we ka wona ga na anya yie biem no. Human face. And ye ho no mote utu omo nkotena he. And ye ntu oba ma wo. Mi wo krom ha.
Abroche nyina human face ho but emra ye adwuma.
Abroche ye utu mi papa human face.
Ana me say nso emra ye adwuma. Emra na anya adwuma. Me maka da bia say kroma si ti no kre ne edi ehu ne edi mra so a. Ye nya se broni ba bebo ya. Sa ne ma me say.
Abroche kro bia kra nko.
Lady ba ko ne mo a onye won mo over 500. And pay I was CJ programs on the Jason Sem. Enkoko pa.
Enso na fa nkoko ni na ko.
Enso na fa mo na de daddy dansu ani.
Obehwe no. Na gota se kenso di famu no. Asi enti atia fa nkoko ne side.
Sometimes it's not even about the gutter. Masa baby a nipa ni develop no.
Location.
Oje asase won se hoye nsuo sa. O sikanti wagu concrete more.
Oya asme feel.
Ani ni na ayi your friends of anko filling station here run about you see. E ho na gata nsuo nyina afa. And so you see filling station next one penny for Okromu a wo degrees in the professors academy say a higher waterway.
That's right.
Yama wo EPA permit am wo asi next go so to na yira fa run about
environmental protection agency am certificate.
Mimlemu yi ebi wo ha omu ni permit yet they build.
Oh ba wo musi ada wo musi no wa da wo musi do bia.
Enye EPA asem kwa na meka. I'm talking about authorities obi are responsible.
Say the local assembly.
Ni ba ko convenience ni na dwuma be ya je ne fa so agudu botum. Ni inconvenience ni pa more
1 million.
Yeah. Is what I know. You have for Honey, no be antimi, go be antimi. just because obi pursue a business in
abrante ba ko da ne kiosk musa ensuo na fa kiosk ono dem no ensuo na fa kiosk na dem
abu krofo kwa da na kiosk na odwen ho
ono hu no wa mre ni bi
osana yi mission
opie ye no hu say ensuo oda ensuo ni ma ensuo de na ko
I pathetic I are ho de but opani how long they better say de no ho
yeah
what you say
yeah
I mean can say last year the
same we should take the bull by the horn
very simple that began at the names at the end
we should take the bull
we always take the bull by the tail
that's what they ordinary no yes say
since Adam Ghana there we only take the bull by its tail your son is put you na order na say ya chire no
obani bull na rabbit
rabbit mo mako 500 serious
Adam so the board dey pa me dem say am ta ko to be winti
I'm saying na me tender
there be any nyina wie ma so be me timi tua be 150 Ghana cedis for one case no
wow
yeah
ba omo yi hu nya
ya ni bia wie o ba bia ekoto me friends ni akoto na weekend ya dey atena ayi mo ne dey say
twaboa na de chan adanko no
o twaboa kitikiti we dey da ben
so ni so ba de chan adanko no
ta me twaboa de me nwi bi da adanko na ma bi da
ba omo wo
atwaboa na adanko
atwaboa omo wo
omo mi nyina adanko so wo pa
adanko so wo
but we say the same process no me dey yen omo nyina me akwala na me yen bi
yeah wa omo wi sa emura bi na ubu mu na white
very juice
e fena adanko mak
e kro be very juice
ali adwama wo mo ho pa
o je adwama asa
o juice
da bi o obia o free ayi achimni e sa areas ni na baka just e green ubu mu na
no say juice ikra nya si enyi ya na enyim say juice ye juice
no na expert
juice de ete no ye nyina nim say juice
sa
okay ba na me raho
adena raho
menya yie kakra
why na wu
me papa maame
papa maame
sample for je ne maame afie ni mu awo ba tampa
afie ni mu ya de bo nyum nya de nyina
no pay odai wan sorry
yako
nti ene me raho papa na esre nyankopɔ so mfa ne kransie yi obi oni mafie ni mu awo ba tampa bia de oni se oyo ba tan pa
eto wu asante mampon se su corona nti enya yi opani
anope ya na asem ne banti ye mabusuafo because abusuafo ne doso so ti ase mu banfo mu musicians obia na obama mpon ni mampofo jedi onim ne maame odaya wan sorry
all along now mampofo jeba maame wo ho
oh yes
eya wo nana
me nana ye hono ka onana na eso ono mum nana ne ba me mum me nana
okay hande kan
ni mo dia mo kan nyina bom nti nyankopon fa
opani we dia me ma yako say yes
nti hadwen so bende ja abirwati abako pa wakafi wadani ato
nti say I'm really very very interesting people I don't know me me wasam pa omkom ye
they have a lot to
teach onko abirwa o mani ni obi hu nseku nkyere woda ono bedi nkomo bia wani bagye onyankopon fa ne kransie ye me mampofo je family nyina so yako
ti edu nsa abode no so ana
aye ni me mako Thursday say yewe no say you corona free kwamu yes say yewe ya
o be ko Thursday
na ko mampon Thursday
chief mona
aye de mani achi
ami tutu nyina na wo twan se menya yie na
obi ka se pudu nsi da obi ka se pudu nsi
na pudu anya shi
kwa be didwo so pani die na so yewe die me ba Thursday opani is say the papa bia wo trend pa papa ya say oso yo sofo na o se nkom
o sofo na de asama to ni na so ye
so but me na me ni me da ko se nkom se ibaye
that's what na so ibaye what is so ye sofo nyo no na so ye
pa cho you o ye osofo
okay asam na aba come pa ho kire na ye sususu ayi no
nya hwe asama bi kakura bi nyanka opani na papai
na wi no no ane dia
is I win asam no de opani emre ade emre ni aba
ene ngo hye papa bi go wi nye guma
opani na pam no mu wi ya okita razor okita lighter wi no washing the same o se de me wi asam ni ye pa o wi no mu yi wa pa no
they say one of bisa answer question na say for na ana me obisa mi ni wi one asem
okay obi oni
o de bisa black eye no ne African yakase ye discussion dia are makajo misa ntu unhia no anse o ene misa me bisa African na o de
African makajo so she
na no so aji so bi ka kire o
restaurant bi ase
Ghana ni a o se Bob Marley say won se no e dey bra sorry bra Africa sorry bra na man for no
to be show be anymore
Ghana ni a wo say Bob Marley say wo see get bra yo bra na man for yo I'm for mu ko Facebook na mo Africa say dem can
bra we Africa ni
Africa say entro na media amanfo ne hwe yan
sa
say entro mo ka say entro ka ba na chaw
African bra all the bra African bra
no nya appearance as enya appearance as
African bra you know smash from here I am African
ne say yo mo baba yo say yo mo baba
Openi media me papa no nsem no se ne esisi so mama de chese video bia na me hwese na say jama hot FM fo akwa grant ni interview
okay
no ngusu grant interview na bia na fo no so bae bia na fo no bae no so o man search no ho o de ni ko bia na office ansa no mko yiwi no ase akwa yiwi ase ne ho nie
tidada na she no
media dem person busa no say normally no obi okita wi person wahye de wi no yense no wayensam
okay
omo opepa omo de se omo tuli di raise la
oh okay
ma hu se bi ka ho lighter so e bi nka ho ana wi no so 70 kotokuo mu na wi no so dose so fushi we nyina kra hwe obebodam wi bebre sa na de ne kita so fo ada
e bia na eboka
Ozire
wi ni dose no do pani so fu wi ni dose
o nyame ni pa o
na nyame ni pa kita wi bebre sei
Charlie be serious o.
It is say
kwa the breaking the fasting.
I don't o de counterfeit akwato wi no. So ono akasa
akaka. But unim say na side back bi bona ha.
Ah, am de say mu na na hye. Na ono susu ye de ne ko nyina wanyi side back na to
bia. Ena sese no unse corona 19 no. Bibia ni a oto ase mo kra minim se na nse oto mo bag mi enu kogu fie.
Ah, me di ni kakra. E wi no oto mo ya wa se kakra.
Ena enti me ba me ya analysis mesere kwa. Enka se me hema no.
E no dey asem do.
Ese obi won ma minim no twapon go yi ni ti oyi ko form se be ya e be cha ansa na afu. Na wa anko baba ho ama baba eni ti ho agro. So te ase enti bibia obi aye bia no.
Why na bodo?
Yes. Enti se ubisa eno ho asem de a. Eni ebetimi akwa wie se oto agu ho na wabona kakra.
But opani akwanam ko fa no we.
Wana fe na kwa no.
So for ko fa no we.
Nyame nipa na se so.
Opani jaisa ya ko fa no we.
Wo mo se ghetto baby a omo
enye ghetto. Sa na hideout.
Baby ono akote.
Ono ankasa na ne we no mo ko ho.
Oni
Oshia central for no mu nyina ko but I think say a security issue nti e be ya intwa so ha
na security for nanka
omonka if bibia ba kire wo say discuss ya we can
discuss na so bia na referee na when na oka say
for now na ko court am ya remanding nti afia answer investigations in bibia be
okay
I don't want to tap into the investigation but the can say make I tie for say sir papa we are na
okay so James Adeko for video no to na man for enjoy
yes
yeah ti bunko Facebook say a video no da hosisi a
opani media kakra betima kan say bia na man for referee na make I say ono na o ye Facebook live for say o ya sorry and o ka say easy say on share and wa nye register foforo
ona she radio ti
yeah o red Lacoste a polo
na wa mo ya so mo ben no say o wa bomb papa
first no for say there be no for say agro we say national security we be more fon oba on chan ba ka say small boy na akasefo no edi akire ba so na ya mo da ye no o me de wa fon ne ba first
okay etu wa so we ka underestimate no
we ka ga na be say de na furu kese na pie ono kita handcuff no
okay afedi asa
akasefo na ba
afedi ojo ba so onyi ni san free ni botomo
da bi umbrella ko no still handcuff odi ye ko se ka ni
wo ma so chine ko
oya den obeko
osun kura usa hwe omo chine o omo chine ampa
no ma odi bua den ya
omo chine nyina na ne nsa we ne de ode ata ne bag no ho
sa o hwe ne sa
me so ho na say me
the left side ho
asa kaba ni say no ode ka ne bag na ta ho
the right side ho no
ampa
waist bag no bo ho
nti akire no bibia ni a
o say asa u lead bia na phone to evidence you
say
so ode ne sa ta
na evidence ni kura mo dada nyame na me de mo
papa no so obi eja o
was about my many yard na obe 12 o'clock
Charlie
enye ono nko aso oka ko mantamie wa ha yimu ba bia wo yi
asa
bia we apuye hoyi
apuye so what I was who say eja ato eye palace ni mu
open here
that we on what can that
na wo met ma kodi ho dance here
there be nyam na make
me ndia mante
oh I have the video
say eja to bi palace
I was say eja to na no papa your camera for say slanging my
okay
a palace ni mu a enkofo no let the blood flow
okay
now first let the blood flow
Charlie they want Sonny jeans mo who
black oh bompa say onya police case
hey tell mo who could pa
me oba kwa me no twempra na okase mama police atro me ma fie biem
just mo who could na ankasa
me mpe police
mo Sonny jeans na chi mo who could pa fe kwa de ne gaga ni nyina afi wa
black me ni mo nipa ko de adwene ba se ye kokyere obi ya so ne ha enya so pe no adwudwo what's
on 19 couple
side has
ya so me so me hoda ntimi nim de okan
o de okasa o
de open o se so ha no adwudwo ye nso mu da me de me hunu adwudwo no
ye nche da police nche da
Debbie police achimi awan so me sei say ne driving no ne ade ye chimi an ne ade
unse da nya
ene me ye young boy no so me ade bi me achimi but ya nso matade ene me nka
editing abem
Bible say oh yeah papa nko ani mu rentew
editing abem
opani eye most valuable player no aba
okay
now this time around no nipa bi eye expect some beba mu no o man piem you say kromo ka football pa I say o ka live band o ka amplify J band beba wa zulu
that's right
so what you say
that's right
na ya ka football so dia na eye Messi ani Abrante Cristiano Ronaldo but eye new list here by there omu bia ni wani din apie first 20 crash
that's right
not just say players are
corona ratings
oh how
corona ratings
so the council amid the coronavirus no kra no still Mbappe the most valuable
no Mbappe coronavirus ba omu league kra ye twem
sapia do serious
omu ma so omu susu ha o
me believe it too
enye no kra
Mbappe
world football no kra ni
Mbappe can go wrong
Penny.
We can't go wrong. It can't go wrong.
We valuable player as in price tag and
price tag.
I think I qualify.
Oh, now so who is that? Oh, so no nim say you nim born no.
Oh, yes sir. Your best player or your best player or your player of the year is the man. You can't valuable pay obi say we are talking about cash.
And you Ghana have most valuable player the man of the match.
Nya tabia ya ba ne the mo. Nya no some you can football Ghana.
Aso folk class bi wa.
You can football Ghana. Na ma pe dey so ye 300
enye ma pe o. Adie me ma pe.
Yes, oh yeah, 331 million.
Mbappe.
Oh,
Mbappe. Say, me money flow ja. What me come Mbappe? Now
Is Mbappe man come?
Yeah, Mbappe.
How many times about the affair who say wrong?
Yeah, this is the end. So him say, what wanji any akokwa wanya. E ma ho ape.
Me man na penya man. Obadi, yes, oh yeah, two.
Oh, na ye, why?
Yes, me be bua one.
We no. You say na.
It's on the
oh heckle no. Oh heckle no.
What's the meaning of heckling?
Who's who know when I want to show a card? Ebi na oye. Opani yes flow. Yes, so 231 million pounds.
That's right.
And he's not the most valuable player. I'm
As
telling you.
now.
Oh, Opani, enye no credit.
Oh. Kwa good as now.
Still Messi ball was return.
Dabi,
yes, I say or Tom Messi is here. And the ball was return.
It is not true. It is not true. Opani they can Ukrainian.
Sabo.
Ukrainian.
Wait, they say 231 million. Na and now you na Basa person sakofa name across. Kasa na no so.
Dabi Messi can who or can who on the price tag count.
Sao.
Who think of 4 bit yeah, I was running for Messi.
Okay, any my rankings then.
Emrofo no mo a hu mo ase jori om kwa na computer. Oni mo.
Ayi
for Jesus GBD
syndrome for no. Low down syndrome for. Bill Gates onye we. Onye low down.
Oni sika no dey adwuma onyo no na.
O da bi so no kasa na mo operate computer na sana. Sika ba count. And na branch dey man ye dey say we did 21 years. I want na kama chi no.
Yeah.
Tell me tifri mi fie ni mu a.
Future wo mu.
He na me hwede ma be ma bobro koduru no a. Na akwala ni kita sa amount no ada no so no a.
Future wo mu.
Ho na ma problem ne wo no.
Future wo mu.
To Nyankopon nye obi adom. Opani komasa sante kotoko nche ye bia me de we so na opani ade ne de atwa so. Enche ye bia no mu yi mpani fofoforo a ye de team no mo mama bo team no ho bra. Na unse aye de unity oil de yentimi enka kotoko sama ibe yina free mu enti waka woni nipa bia akeka ho
okay
na when na kotoko player ba
ko penny say yentimi fi wo twene ho ebetima yi free mu
sa
an kuma pema pemba
so o twene mu free team ni ma na sam emba mu biom
so say yentimi ka kotoko asema ye mu ndinam say ya o ye penny ni ntia tina untimi nyine din free but o twene ho a na say ye pam no a enya dia bibo ni din
ti kotoko fo mu ni nkaye sana ba
ya won kaye
mu ni nkaye so be ye dwuma mamu no okwa sana Herbert Mensah mentini di kotoko nsem mu biom no sana ba so kafa aye unity wa yema hu
say ayi Ariza ko no mu din ne ayi Thomaso kan de Datogo ano meboa ta na wo pa kire
Dabi
okay
Obani player the
test Obro Africa amamu
on the just omu yi team no wa hu won hu kotoko ex player bia wo
anu ka de asem omu kan say papa no penduru papa
eh awan Herbert Mensah
Dabi you akudi ohini
ya hini na okan Herbert ayi okan na okan asemi oyo hini
na okan
na so oyo na 90 okan asema utu say na utu kasa na Pedro ahye na nkran sa so na wo no say so to we person no ma kire wo don tell every day wa
kwa me say dey o jire bia me
ada utu mi fia because ja uja here
na say ball and me ka so te ball ahụ a ball ahụ
ball ahụ baby
empete ne nwansra ne
o ya me de ofie e ma papa to Facebook
oh fatu yankopon ne boafo mi tu ni obi aka o ya kura me amete
enu ti no wasu down obepo so no wo
mi ni obi aka
obotan so
se we say no pese mensa ne kwan kam ni se nzuo yira fankra ha
akwa we ka so
mate se o twa za se o so hwese be bia me twa nye se o koto ya se elf nti na akwa koto
sa
se o ti se obi so ope asase wo nsanwa mu a anya se bia ho na ye ne feka kiru ho na ne sika beso
eno ne asem no
enti na isile gun wo ho airport residential no so ope nsanwa mu enti ko pani jai kasa
eno ne asem
na play the chess omo we real estate no ground prices no ba ya wo re isile gun na ne bo cha no
that's right
obebo mu se oglogo Manchester na ho ne wo form
I tell you
ade ni oglogo
woni mo wa hu
eye oblogo nye oglogo
ode oblogo
that's ode wo no fa bibia na ade ahwe wo
bra sa areas na my girlfriend bi antu
I say JQ no
what a guy abani explain the chess kotoko font ni amfa obi biara wa bokotoko da anka aye sa board ne ho na ohun se bank managers wom eni ni purchase bibi wo monsam na wiase adwen ni escafo nko antrim kemi ka utie ni ye pa o say sa u probi obetime hu players ale no wani aja wo sele
already agoyi anyone say oja adwuma ya party ya mu no oko
party be
oja adwuma we ya party we ya mu no oko
me da chi wu ya me sell pa opadi
see ya oni ama no say ade ne hye na ni asokra na oja na o ka foforo
I tell you
opadi what it say ade amplify ya no just odwen ho a wonte ase ye de ne yet board wa not even a single ex player of Kumasi Asante Kotoko adaso na when the new players no how ase obi a why player e Kotoko da
owi
ana me ne adwen no why pa opani
okay
and the new players how enim dia koso of football mu opani ne bia na yeska o sky pa but I told the bia wo obi a he has been there before
come susu chem
what let me come out just say it's how no say yamfa ex player bi anka ho na pelifon tena se ntwa mu na mo consider am fa player
ex player
openi yeka anka obia ni wa onimfu no ho adwuma chen mo kyerman
sa
nti ayi ba yeka kofre mo kyerman
and repeat the stories you
na wa ba betena punti
eno ne asem do
nti ifuru be bia fa ne nsam nti omra me hwe yi ne
akwalo nka so ba hwe tim so
ba bible kra kan say you near simple ansana wa ye den bidia wa yi yonko de ansana me ansano kra me ne hu nze de o kan
ma fa so na ma se be ansan ni ma ye story
ye wo ex players ukru mo matiti team ko hwe ba bia um teams na ewo so the okase ex player ne nim team ne how ne ade no ex players ne bia team ba akoko bo e she 43 ne e ukruma
the man we so ka say tian eh e dey o dey kroma dey obi abata
oh we ya cassette ya asma make a cassette o say ex players ne nim ball no and then o nim players ne how ba ko so was he referee for je bribe do team no kra waton
no
no bo Ghana number 9 ya ni sire mu dudu
no
on za man we see hotel Kumasi
ba ko so da so ma
okay me boss no ya susu kana say
na ba ku ya owo ye ya ekire okobo ekire ya na enyo no e
ai
so no so wo team
salamte
omu de na ni team no wazi za ba Ghana league say the okase ayi S players ni nim ball no mu na omu nim players
they can contribute to the success of the team no cannot be underestimated
openi
sir
wa ukosu na anye debate on
the main debate
the point ba ma kan say miensa na just players miensa omu ankasa kura na football team ni bi ana me bisa the success story. What I say, see, for to team no, you tune for the S players.
The guy did not say, yes, when he can say, or say almost so they have to come in and play their role.
And I'm say, the Omo Ankasa Cray or Modiano Crass, and Omar Hers could do. Sana me be so. Now, okay, house of folk. Musum or board. S player Ben account.
They are not complaining.
You see your life.
Abdul Razak complaining. On the well, Aquadia
team near the man.
The league. Or the Kotoko Adi League.
And I don't know why they got
to what captain team no, as I'll be coaching team no, and to the Okano, I have
dynamics.
The audit team in Africa, Crow, yes, I'm not cano. Say league League do I do Ghana. Or Pedumaya on application. Enko to secretary was a Juma win a mepaye. You show me not obey my Jumana de Bemano. You try your applying on the man. Fine. You try the application. It is this kind to go to Messin Pampans or Yanfako to Kojuma. And I make us all such as a yes, come on. Woman at Chewa door. Oh, be a exemplary. I team here, a walk of fun. Time I knew here, you could find money by Yajuma. That time, no one coach Papa Ukruma. Yes, I'm not again. I won't because the Sana Polo to almost Mutimi Yenano, Moma Fan India. I don't know for Polo, Mamma Coach Timino. So nobody actually coach him full. Now the actual board member on the chess on Castle no one Casa Crampo. Some would a year express
I think say a concern and
it's a very valuable, tangible, sensible concern.
Punchline.
Oh,
Charles Taylor, S player, Emma Hasselhoff.
Or say S player Makotoko Kakao.
Now, Obokotoko so. Now say I make
the word accident teams in
Obani. Or your S player, Emma Hasselhoff. Obokotoko.
Let you.
So,
I say what you can say.
Nah. What about Betty Hasselhoff photo?
I say you and Bibiana.
Or say,
on also for cancer.
Hasselhoff no. I come to me do more Brian Pia or Mokentino. As a match now, Moko, I am losing because we need cram pin. Emma. It's more loose, I'm losing bonus. That's such a team supporter.
Satam now has none away, cause not no Mumwana. Where they cock? I found no betting. I'm too working. Or co interview on the shake. I didn't be a cocker has a son to Casamu. Interview Pietro Celebratoriano. I'm far point here, Moon in Eman Financial Firm, and I will call because you are Sonia Mamiska and a Bantamana who understand the Bia has us now to make a Cotocasm. Because Cotocotrain ye, Cotocomana, poor brat. Oh, just here. A photocrom little has Jesse Grandfatano. Necessary who say, and to me, Franny. Oh, one of my Tasela, we are Cono. I'm not going to force Olympics. Why in a man who are Cono? Olympics. Olympics. I tell for a year or yes, you shall move on. I tell for Mutia, Omuntromra. A tip bang, and a man who's a video by BF Stella. I would people football. I'm on the Cono. I mean, at the car. I mean, some boss of the Cocomas. Oh, I know they say I cry house of food. Ah, opening. And it's straight. Opening. It's straight. Just tell like us one year, or young, because I go to the club has the body that. Or so far, always need so far. No matter how to focus. There's no more so for crowd. Other just tell us some American coming. Also, so far. So far. So far, we so to know so far. Opening your side, mammy, just ask them now. Has internal dia so far. Minister for Biatem. Obi himself be minister for the problem. Ababa way. Na se me hu se ase me na no ba he ya bisa no se. What am I mean as story ni? Yeah, me interested. There be mejae. Ababa be na okay. When did she? Was why then? Who say question ya bisa na he say ya ko bisa bia me say wan fa kwampa so me say mo de bufu asore free studio. Question be ya. Say bia bullet reno anas one running. But who say na man for bit me the because of trend no efa kwan bi so busa this celebrities questions me kra me wa metenchen a aya na me buafu
okay
asa oye questions such a way say obuafu na de abufu ama answer no no afa so de trend me ni me kwan fa so busa na de but when you say onye obi oye ahomaso senke ko yi anka on sori mfa nya oda so let me count you say yeah how many times na on answer that question say bullet adwuma na one na ye na say be ka fra say bullet na da cross when you say when you under age
sir
they make us out here when you say yakwala mimi wo pani utu ese enya se dia wo no yakura wia ye de when you say atom paso e be shit fita ni so pani ko fa ba kwa onfa
yes na bisa
question bisa da want say we be shit
enti na de me ko tom paso abra obi da ho
ya me say enya ne say e bia
enso me nhwe
tika be fa na onfa
me say enso me nhwe
tika be fa na onfa
enso me nhwe
za wow sa question yes
ye honam ni moja enso me nhwe
bibia to me see
wow opani say agrada ye kunipa yi mo na mo nim science science how is it how does it work
me na obi za me
because e bia ku bi o say plan about 3 years so
oh
wa sesen here say the fracture eja 20 no
edisu mo we o black be we no
wa sikra
ewo nioma attractive agrada no yewo nioma bi ho no attractive agrada no
man direction e ba wo side
yeah ena ye obi nso ho no ma ye spiritual ones so ho
no so matter mo asem
papa bi we krom ye frɛ no obi abanye onu na dwuma no odi ano
already
oya obi gijo na akọ no obesuma agrada akọ ni ho sisie
obesuma agrada na ko nipa ne nchen
ebe di ka be ma warning eni etim be si nchenze pe
sa di pa we nyina ho ani da so omo tia na abrofo abre en wifi which mean that agrada ko nipa mo timi anya wifi
ni Olympic games ye to ajan so ye wa hanum na no obi tumi suma ajan na akọ wo bi oni fie
amba o
Apao. There's a quarter na boy. Anya no.
Who's that Olympic games ya to ajan o.
Ajan ka ho.
Ampa. O din bi kura mo de frɛ o mo.
No, ye to kwesi ya timi suma ajan na akọ bi fie akọ wo na kunu.
Acha.
So they say. Obani.
Yeah.
Obi abanye obesuma first one ba be si nchen pe.
Na ama warning. Tell us so unim so no obi waso ko pa ne chewo.
Obe steady.
Second one dey bad direct.
Eno be flash o na wan hwe ampe ho asem ani.
Eno ni asem no. Next one na eba no.
Oba no say krobiam friend brofo eduru.
Yeah.
First time I met some penny say call me papa krom ho ye
adan. Obi na be tre kra.
Obi wa ahene ma kokko bi
say. Adansia pija side. Eni we bibia se. Utimi fa wasa be fa fanfantifo no abakra.
Adanse.
Yeah. Ahoy from na.
Edoso pa.
Na me ko me papa ho ameba. Me duro na yese agrada. Me ko apija. Eni we bibia side. Ameba dey say o ba opa wo mfa kumase. Utimi fa ho na abrofo eduru ho na ma be fanfantifo ekrom na abakra. Na me duro ne ye nipa yese agrada na adwasi ni mo na wo ekosie no. E na mo ko na efu no so agrada na say adwasi efu ni mu.
Hey, boy,
kana why? The first time I chop asma me kan na me what the training college first year. Just nipa po me ko bisa say agrada ni ku ni we ye ko sie no no. Fun no so e de ko na si trog so no. That na the trog na sie fun. Enya na edi sika mu.
Okay.
Wọ́n sẹ́ ọ̀dà díẹ̀ trọ́gù bí ayé àtàwọn àsọ̀rọ̀ dẹ̀ mu wọ́n pẹ̀ ní àkọ́fà dẹ̀ abẹ́fà o àṣẹ gbèsè àdàkà ni mu ní ẹ̀ sí trọ́gù ní sọ́nà.
Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ọ̀sán kọ́ mi yà mamiri bi ní ọmọ ànyà.
Dẹ̀bi ẹni ẹ̀yìn sẹ́ agrada ẹ̀ ti bọ́ọ̀lù nù wọ́n wọ́n kò wúwo fíríjì mu na agrada ni gu so ẹ̀ sẹ̀kyi. O sẹ́ nípa ní bèbèrè wọ́n wọ́n wúwo fíríjì mu.
Look for network.
Na ẹ̀ sẹ́ ọmọ di kóòmù àná ẹ̀kọ́ họ.
Ọ̀pẹ̀ ní mi jíjí sánsán ẹ̀dọ́ bẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ kẹ́mi.
Máyì bí sẹ́yì ọ̀yà owó wọn kọ́ ní wọ́n sọ ọmọdé ní ìṣe fíríjì mu pẹ́ ọbọ wa
o ko ma na so ni
nigga say o ma friend kan for ni ade nyina bo na na eze o
fa wu
o me so ni be se free what
na da ko obo ko ni be se mu last one
obo I said the third time or fourth time. Omni go do no. Much ya much man fa na so nyina tare ko omni kan fa ni ko jemu asa na o ye no. Time ko yi ni so mbede da no opani atiti nanim nyina.
No mu ye.
No atiti nanim nyina.
Wow.
Wazimina. Omo mu di da funi ya. Omo suro bi. Omo be fa no ko di da funu. Ikrobu aside of Benim.
Okay.
Benim.
Yeah. Na Sakwano or the different way wa bread. Enti empano the different so na se and or the idea say hon or die.
Oh.
Obobusia fana manezu we bibia no de okose adnase no da enti. Machina so for na ba bibie funso omotonwom. Enye bibie o.
Famo
nyame o na di o wa yemi fie. Na ade ni chance o no hu say ade achi.
The other phone.
Nti obi mpa no.
I tell you, the way Uncle Phoebe John oh.
Meaning the soft no goes to no head so say we answer we're free from the other side of the phone na be see.
Other chrono.
Na e busu fie oh when the be kura konya be
I tell you.
Masa,
I'm going to phone now sorry.
Sorry.
by the time so we say akwa no the phone na pie ho na o ma say you ne phone nka so mba ne phone da for.
Can you imagine?
Depending na dwane.
They will say man for to be ben phone as a phone. But there's a BBC that will be a slow phone. Opani
phone the medical anya de kra.
As what can say I say no say phone.
Because if phone say o twa phone ho hia na e ka wo nko a the other side ho no. Na before so be cross.
About the other side no.
Be disease no.
When you born anyone who
one can see is we are e hu bitimi to.
But it depended the cool nipa no. If you wa oda wa obaka say ohu ye. Especially maba wa no a umutimi di broken heart ni ade wu no. Accident dey bi wa ye hu pa. Now ebi wa so timi say efu no wu ye no. Wa mre bebre. Opani ye je efu asemi de na evangelist papa shi.
Okay, nyame just sister bofu.
I say if we are the title, Papa base Adam for Munya side.
Drama for so any akaya no ntisa benanzi o.
I don't hear seven no.
But makeups na nkasa no kwa hana make no. E man bi ye ma ne broso.
Antu eno so ye ma.
Anya bi mo bi di ko fa.
No asem.
Ko pasta mo mrem.
Obo ni din.
Eno dia ni okay.
Makeups no make me say me anya say me I don't fancy makeups that much.
Okay.
But obi ya me ni problem. Be ebi mu ye ma ne broso. Obi wa say I am mask no dia say na nim. A obeti ma so ma why. Adai.
Get back easy.
Boni die. Oya djuma why?
Oh for more.
Ya djuma mu haya for more.
This try attack him.
Almost a pound per hack.
Or hang say about say
almost you make up the pound per hack. Opani papa si oba krom wa no me wa no free America buy say.
Okay.
They said na me de saka na
afraid.
No be nya me adwuma.
That's right.
Mesam. Oh, you I think the first place of writing interview na do ha. Yeah. Atawo kese gu ni kom se ne Oko beach oba ase. O nya me nipa me de
ba na mun krase nso preach.
Nya me friend nipa ya na me ni ho.
Yeah.
But mesre no a won fa na so for sem enko corona so.
Ade
evangelist. Was obi e wanya corona yade.
Evangelist Papa Shi.
Papa Shi anna enam se sia e twagu se wasa obi a madam for no me ne e fine. Ma mesre ne pa. Yeah, ade we ye no. Ampa for je ti e wonya band obebo. Boso me almost 4 months ni me boa. Ye mo obi da. Number 1 MC am wo kromu a obi kro mfro no waka hello sanse yesi di panchia nti corona ne de adifo aka se wo kromu akro wo nhye wo nkom ti mesre no a corona pe na ma hu se ayi ntone oyire ayi papa ye wo kuma si oboni ne bro no so wo de sen kra papa ye wo kro yi
Island City ana
papa ye wo kro yi kokobi info yi kra mpo no enton hu nsuo up to now ano ho pe na onton hu nsuo Ebeneza enton hu nsuo osofo bi atoko ama corona e papa si onya ni evangelism
na say watumi divinely watumi asa obi yade afri coronavirus ho
o kasa asem watu obi tirimu a ofo say max ni ho hia etan say onya corona papa si betu abon but meanwhile opoa
o person say nyame tumi coronavirus
eno de o kan me no nya
why na de nyame so mbra yakro ma en America fu do ko awu onyan onka na ntumo corona
Bible cry say odin sempa na hinta nyansafo
me pa to we wo hinfa pope hinfa no wo
so Vatican
enfa o say Vatican wo so adoma chede na David no o kan nwan keke wo so adoma e ba no so no
me ka sa adoma ni so ya de we ni de asofo nyina wo krom ha na obi antimi anso no no waba
na nya no so aso bia no yi
enti so na no wo hin ana no anka so bia mo ne panne Friday omra ha me ko for corona positive ni aba no make isi papa shi aduma mu ase ani mo me fani mra no make isi papa shi no anka so
so sare wa nya sa na nya den
o make isi papa shi
ofu se o tima bompa ma corona ne kwa omra ha Friday
na ni ade na anka so de be kwa isolation se o de ba ha be de
na bi fani ma ko me ne ko Pentecost fo ne ho
okay
dia wa ayi Millennium City ho no no onko fa yade ni bi no onko sa ne ho yade no
ko du wa bon sa yare na chiwa
ko opani sa de wo yemfa ni agro and the problem be kwa men kan ho asem no smas yen ko so yade ne ko ya I never knew numbers. Yes.
Na ye observe ye protocols.
Social distance mu here.
Observing in.
So what you say? Because you nyase the sikabu so got glass. Abacha me no mi enu. We are not in normal times of any bro.
That's it.
We are not in normal time. Enti papa si wan twe ho free corona ho. No ko so kan nya mesam. Genesis to Revelation books ne doors. Corona ni Bible mu. That's it.
Yo. Openi enkwe.
Ami aso for na mi sha. And they said we see two aso for
Ompe no crowds am I way. And no crowd na ompe.
Hey, kwa no.
Wo jini se beto bompa ma corona ko.
Kwa me obo de. Mi ni corona.
Don't you asem no.
Mi ni bi.
Omunyasa.
Mi ni bi. Na me say de me si.
Onu se na na do kasi en kwasore kra no. Otabes wonko. Ayi
Omo virtual.
Makers Chapel was wonko. Akoye ayi Adum praise one way. Joel
Bishop Ajinasari.
Asama Mika was who say Asama Mika. Bishop Ajinasari was so be entering fee. Etino Sankampabo, etimi corona and 10 times and one cast will be entering fee. It's Papa she on Van Gogh.
Bernard Dombote and Krame Sakan said Techiman Gustans are appointing as head coach.
Dombote.
Bernard Dombote.
That Dombote.
The 37-year-old.
Has of folk Dombote.
Yes.
Now coaching course that ben.
Pacho mintre. Uhuna. So na oye o ex player. Nti Mesre House of Folk supporters.
Ghana di off.
Enura mutu ye editor nechi abra no bobo e wo House of Folk no. Muntu se nro kro na ntanechi.
Na okay.
The coaching enye successful. Amen. Na me free and also because coach ya okoye enuro ne nka ho enye ye.
I like us be true.
Obani ene Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Kumasi for any abroad man.
Ya inaugurate your board.
Okay.
New board.
More ex player be also.
Debbie.
I make a is a player in Ghana. Ex players not just Kotoko. Omo you so no dampo. They don't take anything from you again.
Man influ.
Na kasa tintini nyina say yare symptoms ne e bi ka ho.
Wow. Ase mi nya wanya. E bi anumre.
Enye no kre.
Because say glass a cheyu.
Enye glass na crack.
Glass a cheyu mu.
Obani mi mapum me ho na mete ho no. Ma sha me ho nchene rough.
I tell you kubu.
Abapa na mete ho no na da ko me video ni baba no yi no Facebook live. Me pun nim tiri ni ade a.
I tell you.
Hwe. Ya inaugurate your board no. And as someone Nipo Kasa Edemo 2 for Kachoman said this time around it's not just about playing football, but they should look at the business aspect, economic aspect of Kumasi Asante Kotoko as a football club. Because Enra has a folk former board member be our hub, no can't send me. No can't send me. Say Ayana say teams like Kotoko has. It's me a quackle maybe I'm watching one yes crancho players has a bit nyaka so supporters bear 4 million. No can we no see Kotoko crowd here. And come see can you guys come to so get them to AC Milan no more macano. Because Kotoko na adwen so ko MTN for papa na some can make you or ko MTN for aka say scratch card na omoton on the on print be in Kotoko colors. Kotoko de bia $1 million beto on print 6 million and for mom
na then among more paraphernalias
and maybe inti we na some otia all kind ex footballers no and penifo anya paradigm shift
anya masem
so tia say anya tete football na ye ya we na name mu odin ti also bo 5 we na na ko kwanti o number 7 no nya no bi ne ye
okay
what tia say
the Okasami boni in Razak na kan kasa me masem.
Enye no onye no age agina mu.
There be Razak na kasa nyama na me kasa.
Aferi a wotwe wo afiri.
Na me
so no baba amane.
Ahun na ma beta okwan achi. Enye na mpe hu skara.
Sign of good living.
Yeah, sign of good living.
Enye na mpe hu skara. Okani enti say asema ya ka kire mpanifo ni say for the next 1 year Kotoko shouldn't sign any new player. Se kuruba ko se nko miensan player bia nemom youth team no obekaya just about some 5 months ago omoye recruitment sisa nkwala bobo some justify bi sisa nkwala young talent dey go under 15 under 17 hwe no group ni enya bi en promote senior team no it is ska obesay So the kwako top big player be free baby ababa na for to papa so no yemfa hwe nkola no na yemfa bi nye facilities ne nyoma ebepe sika dia makotoko. I support them 100%. We need vision to develop Kotoko. And yes, you did. It's about time say one more enya CEO so on being CEO ye business oriented.
Do you just say
tap into
Papa on your business oriented?
Papa,
be our tongue here, macro on your business oriented.
Board chairman.
It's on your business oriented.
No kasa baby na ho den ni nim de godo. Enya football mu de ne de be tap into. O se hia obi so ono so betima yesa adwuma no. Ebi na has person we kofa Bruni de buy. Bruni de buy so excellent. Enya Bruni na ko sign Ambro deal de man has of folk. As folk tikroma one say no more sponsorship for kids.
I say Bruni anko fa na maso me ofufu. Side money so my to kofa de buy on.
And I make sure say nti onipa bi wo ho no ma ye omo adwuma. I was so fa omo. No necessarily so kofa old player. Your old players in omo you very good. They say chips are bokotoko. Chips are nyon na kotoko strike deal or kofa buy. Or a player agents they say.
Yeah.
It is a team ne for say ehun be hia say be be amana. Why not? But yet the house for folk for be can be team. What is the opening?
Yo.
All right. And then Mera hunti no me jan life.
Una free mu do.
Yo. About there, you around the app.
You around the app there na yam fan check here Emma Ruby Ajamai our Kellen Texas and I feel gifty of Gifty's kitchen.
O say Texas.
There be Texas. So we should anywhere broach Papa base hotel to on Texas that. Obeka Texas. What you say? And Gifty of Gifty's kitchen and also what Tottenham. And I feel so tier for 8 year Ghana ha nyina na broach nyina no. Ya tie mu nyina. Na mama fontia say ensuo no de was so doso. Ese de ba nra no.
Sir, eti yem why home for more rainfall.
We should expect more rainfall.
Wow.
It is what you got as well. Mini a pebe. Kwasa unu ebi obabi a was so kakransa. Na nso ni jai to a was haba. Enya sa obetra ho aye. E dia ha na ewo. Yanso ye Ghana fo ama nso na ba be fa.
Okay.
Me da se.
Yo, Kwame Obadi in the building. As what do you see?
What do you see?
Yami Admochina, same time, same dial. They'll be in here again. Maminka, yeah, good evening, and to Mr. Amankwa. Mr. Amankwa, yeah. The checha power baby I will be. But I ate out to go extra. In why the year pa one kasa choose one kasa. Would data plan be no okay for one kasa pocket? Your data, your big time data extra, fuse extra. Airtel to go big time data extra. A year extra unlimited and if you get extra. Nina a data planner one kasa betumi choose at your own convenience. Simply dial *111# *111#. Now choose who plan no and they are Airtel Tigo. As a life is so simple. DBS the Colorlink Plus at Yaba. Colorlink Plus se usi dan we do baby ababo so afrani embe DBS se wodan so. And from now unya to a yen chance the free DBS industries are about 20 years warranty and no keke certificate they can home at the amount. This clearly shows them they believe in their product. When it comes to quality, affordability, durability, they are DBS industries wamudi kind crab. Nti furniture sphincters. DBS waben papaya restaurant open chance papa pa. Colorlink Plus roofing sheet at their complete dream house and dia. DBS Industries. And to phone from 0543 286 637 0543 286 637. Papa's Pizza imode. Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it. Papa's Pizza. Ghana had a pizza no. Wabom ye pizza and ye me nupe. Papa's Pizza no more wakano. Join the Papa's Pizza bribia. Our branches in East Legon, North Legon, Dome, Tema, Osu Sphincters, and have a Ring Road. We bet you have visit to our website to know a place to order papaspizzaghana.com. And I said dial a magical short code no *844*10#. Papa's Pizza, taste it, love it. Sa utie yen ewo eye United Kingdom wa. Mesrao, anytime bia no a ope ayarehwe ana ayaresa no. Wone eye Dr. Shadrack Kwabena Intrakwa of Jaisu Herbal Clinic. Omo Regency Court, Unit F, Milton Keynes. Wone won twetwe komo buku special appointment. Oye Ghana ni a wutie yen. Na wutie yen wo United Kingdom. Na yadie bia ye kwankro wo so opese wo hotowo a contact Dr. Shadrack Kwabena Intrakwa of a Jaisu Herbal Clinic or Regency Court Unit F Milton Keynes For special appointment in a friend one who 0044 744 071 0664 0044 744 071 0664. Now one Dr. Shadrack Kwabena Ntrakwa one nentwetwe nkomo penny pa a da Jaisu Herbal Clinic ano wasan wonro pa odi abadwa so a wonya bia Ghana ha ene amanone ebeboa wo Jaisu WMP Jaisu WMP eboa prevent high blood pressure cholesterol level watum se nan say no sadia ba be show mu madodo a bomade se obenya Jaisu WMP black man and black woman booster and also boy boost to immune system no e dia ma motumi agina onaso ye pa for any kire ablekuma olebu 6 to 6 ube hu Jaisu Herbal Clinic e wo ho bibia nya for 0244 529 398 Jaisu Herbal Clinic or the home of natural medicines. And me kwada ma one obo so yasene ma ye de irrigated sports e de ebrewo na de aka ye ni mu ene doso.
What the extra CSA?
Extra Tresse. Data bebre.
Minutes bebre. I'm never frame out of
data and expire.
Talk time bebre. I never want that from cra. Extra. Airtel Tigo and extra. Extra data. Expired da. It was big time extra so. Extra minutes. Expired da. It will fuse extra so. And the extra unlimited calls. Extra running you. Now your bonus data and body expired da. You feel am? With your boss star 111 hash keke. Let's chat to Mrs.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Yes. Oh, I say, you know, pay them off for a bank. Oh, yeah, I'm true. Mukono. The Mazy Cement. Action for pizza in the Mazy. Yeah, I am Chinner Hawaii. No, baby, sorry, I'm no Kuno. Yeah, Jaisu WMP capsule. And yeah, Jaisu WMP capsule. Yeah, this is your Kobe. We am bathroom marriage. I want to know Brown Sanawaba. So, a constipation, I am Chira. For Jaisu WMP capsules. No, we am so way. Hey, you severe I am Chira. Two homes too much to pioneer you from a one hole. That's a for Jaisu WMP capsules. No, we am Robogo. Your fan, one time upon a we am go fine. But we are recent. San Jaisu Herbal Clinic away Jaisu WMP capsule. Happen to a friend. 0244 529398. Jaisu WMP capsules. I'll go him.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Just look at a Festo and it will make you drool. It's young and hip and it's really super cool. Every Festo bite is milky to the core. The moment you taste it, you want some more. No, I won't share it with you, no. It's my Milky Fest. I call it, you call it, we call it Festo. Holly Festo Milk Shortcake. Shortcut to fun.
Live sport is back on DSTV. No more waiting. No more speculating.
It's been a while. Is your heart racing yet?
It is back. The very best footballers from the very best leagues in the world are back in your living room.
Brilliant, Lionel Messi.
Stay connected or reconnect to DSTV and see the stars you've actually heard of in the only place you can watch them. DSTV, the home of live sport.
Check out the new Malcolm shop open at Ablekuma, Agbanjena Bridge, Olebu, off Ablekuma Pokwasi Road, near Finest Filling Station. It is fully air conditioned and has large parking space. It's now in your neighborhood with over 20,000 items under one roof, ranging from electronics, homeware, kitchenware, furniture, home decor, electrical, supermarkets, and groceries. Your shopping experience just got better. Shop opens on Monday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. and on Sundays from 12 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Terms and conditions apply. Malcolm, where Ghana shops.
Get a new life, make your body go happy.
Vital mineral water makes your body go happy. Vital mineral water, new life for every day. Vital mineral water, so Vital mineral water.
We call it Festo. Holly Festo Milk Shortcake. Shortcut to fun.
Chale, there's a faster and more reliable way to do mobile money. G Money. JCB Bank's mobile money service gives you the freedom to send and receive money at the lowest rate from any mobile network just by dialing *422#. Share. The best part is you don't need to be a JCB customer to enjoy secure transactions with Ghana's safest bank and the widest branch network. Visit your nearest JCB branch or any branded G Money agent with a valid national ID to register now. G Money. Hapanaba. Chatum.
Say you can say Dominion Herbal Powder. A young one with Juma and my immune system. And then Quabo will nip a drum in the yadin. Then the senti, what I did, Yarosun Kunimua. If more than say be new.
I don't dare find fire. My movie. Tina me do one dancing. And I say, me say.
Dominion Herbal Powder, dear. Minia, and yet a man for dancing tea. And a bacon fool. Near I yet a nipper diamono. A bro madring and a mentias so. Nipper biara, who per se, would do fear Yanko de Mawono. Now would demean a dear. And my Dominion Herbal Powder. And Pau de Biara da.
As someone at the Dominion Herbal Powder and once one you will so share will take up. Now that take it to us a biagumu, where Francis Yanum. Where we Angels Dominion Herbal Center one cocoa and a diaba. A pen for a baton more money for and Quada when you feed me a one come home. Dodo afre 054 315 8195. FD Irish a dreading crack to him ajatum say.
So what pesa ho from a jachanse and a tank mu a fa insuo gu mu mano nyema we be man from a biara aka chanse no mu epwe na hwe insuo ni free chanse no e wo se ne obehohoro from a jachanse no mu sha entade bia ebebo ne ho ban bi te se mpaboa ahwehwaniwa from a ja nkatanim ene bibia ebebo ne nsa ho ban e wo se LPG ahyen etuminya kokobo ne ema bi te se nkane ana se kokobo atwerede e wo se ye tai hwe hunu se chance na ye de kura mframaja ne ho ba biara enwe na ache ana enseye e hunu bribisa a e wo se ye frɛ ehunimdifo nkratoyi e free National Petroleum Authority aswe
Okotoshe suku awu kwama wa wodachi waje ho sika saa ade wo ye adwuma otobud ene ekwesi ada o mobile money phone o ma
enya saa o na me fra ka kire o se de wo betimi di sika amane anasa waje sika wo network bia so eso no network ne me network kra emfa ho across aye easy
saa
ne mame wo de mane me 50 cedis na hwe ade
mame fra later why na me din ku sra mechi
ma
say, Ubetina Mane and Nassau Belgium mobile money every network bearer was across aye easy Jumadi free gifts.
Send the mommy. What do you send the mommy?
Buckle like a boss. One piece chicken, 2 single wings, small chips. No, I got to keep it real. Yeah. Buckle like a boss. Grinding that 9 to 5 plus pushing hustle on the side, kid. Yeah. Buckle like a boss. Making them real boss moves the way you want to. Yeah.
Bucket like a boss. The new Streetwise bucket for one. With 1 piece of chicken, 2 zinger wings, and a small chips for just 15 cedi. KFC. It's finger licking good.
Just look at a Festo and it will make you drool. It's young and hip and it's really super cool. Every Festo bite is milky to the core. The moment you taste it, you want some more. No, I won't share it with you, no. It's my Milky Fest. I call it, you call it, we call it Festo. Holly Festo Milk Shortcake. Shortcut to fun.
Adum FM.
Ofia Kwanso.
Between the place, you are